What is the fastest way to cure a cough? The use of salt water is a straightforward method that can help alleviate a cough. This solution is efficient in killing bacteria, breaking up mucus, and reducing pain, despite the fact that it may initially cause a slight burning sensation. To create one at home, combine a half teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of lukewarm water and stir until the salt is dissolved. Now fill your mouth with this water, gargle for 10 seconds and spit the water out. Repeat this for at least a couple of times. Cough would have stopped. Please like and subscribe.